Let f and g be function the composite function denoted by the function f with g is defined by f with g is equal to fg of x. So this one, we can read this as composition of the function f with g. So pwede natin itong basahin as the composition of f with g. The process of obtaining a composite function is called function composition. X is the domain of g, and the g of x is the domain of f. Okay, let's try to have an example. Given f of x is equal to 4x minus 5 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Find the composition of f with g of x and the composition of g with f of x. So first we're going to answer letter A. So we all know that f composition of g of x is equal to fg of x. Ibig sabihin, we need to replace x in the function of f by g of x. So ibig sabihin, we replace x by g of x. Ano ba yung g of x? X squared plus 4. So papalitan natin yung x dito ng g of x. So function x is equal to 4x minus 5. And this one, sabi kanina, given the equation, we need to replace x by g of x. So that will be 4 times x squared plus 4 minus 5. Saan galing ulit yung x squared plus 4? Yan yung value ng g of x. Kailangan natin palitan yung x dito sa f of x ng g of x. At yung g of x natin is x squared plus 4. After that, applying the distribution law, we need to distribute 4 inside the parentheses. So that is 4x squared plus 16 minus 5. Because 4 times x squared, that is 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. So combine similar terms, the answer is 4x squared plus 11. So therefore, the composition of f with g of x is equal to 4x squared plus 11. Next. Okay. Next is the g composition of f of x is equal to g of f of x. So ano naman yung papalitan natin? We replace x. So yun yung given function ng g of x, that is x squared plus 4. So yan yung, anong ipapalit natin sa x ng g of x? We replace x by f of x. So ano yung f of x natin? 4x plus 5. So therefore, yung x natin na yun, papalitan na natin ng 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. So using the square of the binomial, the result will be 16x squared minus 40x plus 25 plus 4. And then simplify, the answer will be 16x squared minus 40x plus 29. Therefore, the composition of g with f of x is equal to 16x squared minus 40x plus 29. So ganyan ang ginagawa sa composition of function.